The challenge. Dots are very familiar to us and may be found in many places. Young children enjoy dot-to-dot pictures, and a printer uses a great many dots to produce an image. If someone is having trouble understanding something, we often tell them to join the dots. You stumble across some dots. What were these dots, and why did they need to be connected? You will have 4 minutes to discuss your responses. You will have 1 minute to give your responses. You will be judged on your group's thinking processes, the creativity of your responses, and your ability to work as a team. No points are awarded for the presentation. Here is the challenge again. The challenge. Dots are very familiar to us and may be found in many places. Young children enjoy dot-to-dot pictures, and a printer uses a great many dots to produce an image. If someone is having trouble understanding something, we often tell them to join the dots. You stumble across some dots. What were these dots, and why did they need to be connected? You will have 4 minutes to discuss your responses. You will have 1 minute to give your responses. You will be judged on your group's thinking processes, the creativity of your responses, and your ability to work as a team. No points are awarded for presentation. Your time starts now.
Okay, so should we have a talk again?
Okay. So maybe roles. Director, scribe, timekeeper, presenter, thinker, encourager.
Okay, so can I just say one idea first?
Yeah.
Maybe the dots were something to like, for a password to something like crown jewels of England or something. Okay, fine.
Maybe the dots were how to get a job. Maybe like you need a good education. If you have a good education, if you have a good personality and stuff, then you can get a job.
I think it could be like a code, like it's like a sequence or something, and it like adds up to something.
I think, kind of a good idea, I don't know. It's like
3 minutes later.
These dots connect to your future, and you kind of know what your future is behind these dots.
Yeah, I kind of like Rhea's ideas, and it's like your future, and you have to, it's like the journey of life, as in like each dot is like a important bit of your life, and then it's just like you have to connect those dots to find out who you want to be.
And what is, so I also like the future sort of thing, but maybe we could mix the password and coder can sort of be the same thing, but we can mix that with the future. The dots, it's like a dotting code that you have to do like more than one to unlock your future.
Did no one go?
I was thinking exactly of what Rose said, like it's a code and you need to like connect the dots the right way to get the right code. Like find it out.
That's what Claire said.
Okay, so I know how we can connect them. You have to like get the code to find your future.
Okay, so
We've got something. How many minutes?
2 minutes later.
Okay, so let's do what we did. Who votes for the password?
We already did the vote thing.
Oh, okay, so are we future?
I vote for that. The future.
Okay, so
We can connect them though. We can make it like you get the code, and then once you get the code, it like the dots are from the code are your future.
yeah. Oh, okay.
Okay,
Like
okay.
there's a certain point where you've gotten all like those main points of your life, and then you write them into like some sheen type of thing, and then it's like you put in all those dots, and then that gives you the answer to your biggest life question.
How many minutes?
So that could be the code. And then
She'll say
1.5.
We've got 1.5 minutes.
So like I like it because I think we can do like one dot is gonna be maybe what you will do in your life. Another dot will be what like your personality, what will happen, and like if you're wealthy, poor, hobo.
Okay.
Can
I just say? It says that why were these dots? What were these dots, and why do they need to be connected? So are we basically answering why do they need to be connected to
find your future.
To find our future. And what were the dots? They were dots that
Code.
They were a code.
On your birthday, every day you get given like a dot.
A dot.
Well, every day or your birthday?
Yes,
Your birthday.
no, on your birthday. And then how many minutes?
Until you're 20.
And you only.
Oh, so 30 seconds. No. Okay, so have we got it? What
I
is
think
it?
we have.
What is it? So
So-
on your birthday, go.
So the dots are different things that are given to you on different birthdays. So maybe your 4th birthday, your 8th birthday, no, 4th, 15th, and then
21st. 21st.
21st.
Because that's your most.
No,
24th should be the
21st,
last of
21st,
13th,
and
your
then you get all these, and then you
Just
get,
10.
and then it finds out what you're going to do with
10.
the rest of your life. And it's like a code you put
Okay.
into like machine.
First,
Everyone goes, this is one. Got it.
First.
No.
No, it's fine.
Who's presenting?
Stop. Me.
Okay, no, do not
Okay.
add. Do not add.
Okay, so
Okay, so you have 1 minute to present your response.
3, 2, 1, go me.
Okay, so basically, the dots that you stumble upon, they're different kind of things that you get given, or maybe something written on a piece of paper, on your, I think it's 4th birthday, 8th birthday, no, 4th, 15th, and 17th and 21st birthday. And there are these things on your 21st birthday, you go to this certain place, and then you put these dots into this machine, and they're kind of like a code, and it will give you some different life questions. So maybe like your biggest question in life, or like maybe what you're going to do, and it shows you a little bit of your future. Obviously not too much, but a little bit of your future to give you an idea of what you're going to do. So those are the dots, and they need to be connected because it gives you an insight into what you want to do.
20 seconds.
But you obviously have a choice, so you don't have to use them. Yeah.
Brilliant. Okay, thank you very much. Well